family is industrious. So we hope na when she grows up, maging isang napakasipag niyang tao. And then Beatrice, blessed. Kasi feel namin hindi lang kailangan ng sipag, kailangan din ng swerte. So dapat tandem yun. So we hope, and Amelie, you love your name. So when you watch this, sana nagustuhan mo yung naisip namin sa yung pangalan. Ayun, Amelie, Beatrice, industrious and blessed.
Si Amelie, kita tawag namin siyang Cara. Si Cara is a very, very jolly kid. Bihira namin siyang makitang umiyak. And, naku, sobrang love niyang kumain.
And welcome to Cara's first birthday party! Everybody clap your hands!
Minsan lang talaga siya umiyak. Mahilig siya makipaglaro with her ate, malambing na bata. Most especially sa akin, di ba?
Oh.
Most especially kay mommy.
Mommy's girl.
Mommy's girl siya. Kung si ate is daddy's girl, si Cara is a mommy's girl.
Ayan, on behalf of Chua family, we would like to thank each and everyone who came. Sa lahat ng nagbigay ng oras, thank you for making our family feel special.
Come on, honey, let me see that smile.
Hinihiling ninyo na binyagan ang inyong anak kung gayon ay tinatanggap ninyo ang pananagutang hubugin siya sa pagsasabuhay ng pananampalataya.
Take my hand and hold on tight. Come with me that we can spread the happiness. Yeah, spread the happiness. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Spread the happiness. Oh, oh, oh. Come.
Ayun, Amelie, when you grow up and finally watch this video, we hope na magustuhan mo siya, and we hope na ma-realize mo kung gaano ka love ng family na to. Love na love ka ni daddy, ni mommy, and syempre ni ate.
Take my hand and hold on.
Happy birthday, Amelie!
Come with me and we can spread the happiness. Yeah, spread the happiness. Oh, oh, oh.
Hi, Cara! Happy birthday! I hope paglaki mo, makita mo tong video and yung mga pinaghandaan namin for you. And stay healthy, jolly, and naging mabait kang anak and kapatid to ate. Yan lang. Happy birthday, anak! I love you! Happy birthday!
Spread the happiness. Oh, oh, oh.
I wish you will be like a tall girl and be a kind girl and a beautiful girl forever. And be my best friend forever.
Come with me.